people. Like I said, I'm saying Yolanda, youth desk today of Lawful Workers.
Hi, my name is Sarah Jobu. Sarah Jobu, Mundu Low Babli, Contact Sega.
Lawful Workers, fika kuthi umndeni awu-one ngiyathi ukuthi bangizulile ngentelana whatever stress lengichamka kunaso siyasuka kimi
Ngabobhuti kuphela anginaye nasezwe. So I find my best friends or says like eyewitness is actually using these people. Because honestly speaking, these people are my sisters.
Yeah.
I actually don't have sisters. I'm the only kid to my mom.
A very good morning to you all, my beautiful people. This is Lawful Workers podcast, and of course, this is your girl Rebecca, podcasting live at Binari Emoyeni Mall. Now, ladies and gentlemen, today I've got an amazing people. Ngine youth desk, your Lawful Workers. Awufuna ukumuva la ukhona khona really. You wanna find out ukuthi bang bobani, badumengane themini. Tune in while we go and get the youth desk of Lawful Workers. Mwah!
You can't deny me. You can't decide to turn your face away. Something inside so strong. I know that I can make it.
Okay, my beautiful people, like I said, I'm saying Yolanda, youth desk today of Lawful Workers. So ngibalandzile bantwana bami firstborn wami, ngifuna batichaze, you know, ukuthi bangibobani, and of course, bantu babati ukuthi youth desk basho ina. This is the face of the youth desk of Lawful Workers. So, my girlies, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Sarah Jobu. Sarah Jobu, Mundu Low Babli, Contact Sega. Yes.
Ulitshone nini Lawful Workers?
2021, Benga grade 4.
Oh wow, that's nice. Next.
sanibonani igama lami ngithobeke umntana asejinini
Yes.
ngumuntu obably talkative uthanda ukuhleka like I like encouraging abantu to do certain stuff ukuthi babe nala mada abayenza then Lawful Worker ngayijoina 2020 I don't even remember ukuthi bengingakade ngayijoina 2020
Let's hope you remember what unangaphi today. Okay, next.
Sanibonani igama lami ngimkande kwethu I'm a very bubbly person uthanda ukuhleka uthanda kuba nebantu umuntu othanda ukubona abanye abantu benda kangcono and Lawful Workers ngijoyine late 2022.
Oh, very good. All right.
Okay, igama lami mina ngiSwazi Khumalo. Swazi Khumalo is actually a bubbly person, a friendly person, a funny person that loves laughing, a talkative person, and a person with a good heart, with a golden heart. Okay, so in Lawful Workers, ngajoina 2022 on the 5th of February, and I was in grade 7.
Ah, you even remember the dates. That's great. So again, my beautiful girls, tshelani mina. Yini nenda niqhubeke nibe kuLawful Workers. Manje yathi ekseni mhlawumbe khona niyasibamba nesikhathi. Nanifuna niyastrolla la endleleni mara niyafika ekugcineni. I want you to tell me ukuthi yini, because I understand nesikoleni Monday to Friday, but you never fail to come to Lawful Workers ngama Saturdays. Yini nenda nibe namandla lokuvuka. What is it?
Okay, for me Lawful Workers fika kuthi umndeni awu-one ngiyathi ukuthi bangizulile ngentelana whatever stress lengichamka kunaso siyasuka kimi like ngiyathi ukuthi mangifika la ngilakujabula kwami ngithola khona yeah that's why
Sakula. Yeah. Ukhona nomunye lofuna kusho?
Okay, so since I see the Lawful Workers, because apparently I found a second family. This is actually my family, so being with my family makes me so happy, and my sisters because these are actually my family.
You're not forgetting.
And my best friend, and my big sister. So since I see try to look at Lawful Workers, because Lawful Workers is actually a family to us, no matter we're not blood related, we're actually a family, and it's actually supporting us because some of us are dealing with mental issues that we have at homes. So Mina, I come to Lawful Workers because I relieve all that stress that I have, all the book stress. It just goes away when I'm with Lawful Workers. It brings peace. So, yeah.
That's good. Okay, so tell me, nina ngithi niku-youth desk. Yeah, mapoza. Well-felt workers. Yini lena ndani beku-youth desk? Yini umsebenzi wenu lapha ku-youth desk? Tshelani mina. Yini? What's your duty?
Okay, sebenza youth desk ukuthi isatise labantu abadala ukuthi yini le local workers idingako these days sihambe nge-trend ngoba yonke into inama-level.
Yeah.
Upgrade nawe
Yeah, Niv.
into zakudala because siphile simanje manithanda simanje laka-local.
Yes, set.
Ufuna nje
Sivavavuma.
yes.
Yeah, Niv. Do you want to add? Like add?
And it's also to make other people happy, because the thing that we actually go around laughing with other people while they're working, we see people smiling because of us, because of busy making other people happy, and it's actually kind of encouraging other people to come to work because for us.
Brilliant. So tell me, my weaknesses now, who your fault workers, and if me now, what are your weaknesses?
Okay, my weakness is actually using these people. Because honestly speaking, these people are my sisters.
Yeah.
I actually don't have sisters. I'm the only kid to my mom. So when I'm with these ones, I feel loved and I feel so happy. There's a lot of joy in my heart when I'm with them. So yeah, apparently losing them will actually damage me.
Yeah. So that's why you love it.
Yeah.
You use a lot. Yeah, ukhona lafuna kueda.
So I find my best friends says like I find like vele ilove yabo ngithola lethando labo sesiyakhona ukuxoxa noma indethu esingesivale but siyakhona ukuxoxa into leti yabo
Yeah.
Ah,
Okay. Ekseni yavukeka anina challenge lapho.
Yo, hi.
That's a very difficult
Ngiyabona
question.
nibala. I'm like, oh my girls.
That's a very difficult question.
Also it's difficult, eh?
It's very difficult. Buka mina mangibona sombe sawo.
Oh, okay. Uvele nje uthi okay, we are doing this.
I'm going there. I'm going there.
No ngiyaniva dithandwa sami. So, from la nijoyine khona i-low-fault workers up until la ikhona khona, do you think there's something lefuna ichithwe nibona ngathi iyaleka or nibona ngathi iqhubekela phambili like things are going proper? Would you like to add something or you feel it's on the right track?
It's on the right.
Okay. You guys are happy with low-fault workers? Like khona khona.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have my challenge for today?
Hey.
Are you ready?
Very ready.
Okay.
You
No,
can have the nuts.
I win. You have the man. That means. No, okay, my beautiful people. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kule dithando dam leti ngihlupha every day, but it's okay. Nibatholile, so now we all know ukuthi le dithando dam leti ngithanda kangaka dingobani, and of course if you didn't know the desk of low-fault workers yiyo yona le. Niphelela ndithi. Aha.
And I'm not adding any other person.
Okay, I know. Panamanga, they're lying. So my beautiful people, thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for Dami. Ukuthi nimhloniphe ningene lesikhathi. Ngicela niqhubeke nibe bantwana abaphethe kahle. Nifunde. Into khona kudla imali yenu mase nisebenza. That's what I want. So from me and my beautiful Bell City hashtag don't promise.
Commit.
Commit.